everybody, and welcome back to Crazy Country Couponer. And I'm Jenny, the Crazy Country Couponer, and hope you had a wonderful Christmas, everybody, because it's time to get back to the business of saving money, because we spent so much, and you want to know. So come on in, and on your way, please like and share the video. And if you're not one of our crazy friends, well, here's your chance. Look below. Start the new year off right. Hit that subscription button and that notification bell. That way you won't miss any of our deals, steals, glitches, free stuff, and awesome information that we have here every day at Crazy Country Couponer with her best crazy friends. All right, everybody. Like I said, I hope your holidays continue to be merry and bright. And our new year, well, we're all going to take a moment and say, Lord, walk with us through the new year and keep us safe and give us peace of mind. Amen. You gotta laugh, people, because if you don't laugh, sometimes you just might cry. So, that being said, let's hop on in and let's get some smiling going. Because we got some deals at the Dollar General. Let's talk about this Dollar General Spend 15 Save 4 on the Dr. Pepper. And I do believe that we've got a sale on the Dr. Pepper. 3 12-packs for $15. Which means you'll get 3 12-packs for $11. So if you're a Dr. Pepper fan, there you go. That's a really big coupon. I wish they'd give me one like that for Coke products, man. Now, the next coupon we're going to talk about is coupons I don't want you to clip. Do not clip any gain coupons right this minute until you've gone through all of your coupons. Because we've got a gain 3 off of 10, or excuse me, a gain 3 for 10. And we have our 5 off of 20. Yeah. So we can really get gain wasted early on. And the reason why I'm saying this is because, well, it's such a good deal that everybody's going to run and be doing the gain. And they're going to run and do the Dr. Pepper. These are 2 of these items you're not going to have a big selection of. So, see, we have this 3 off of 10. Basically saving $3.50 off of 3 items. Now, the problem with this is there's also other gain coupons, and you may have already clipped them from last week, kind of like me. Okay? So, some of these products that you have to use this coupon for, I've already got other coupons for. But it doesn't matter, because let me explain to you. You got to spend $20. And 3 of these products is only $13.50. So you still got to spend a little more anyway. So you might as well go ahead and use those other coupons that you've got clipped to finish your deal up. Now, in my case, I've got a $2 off some flings already clipped. Alright? And the flings is on the list of things that you've got to get for the 3 for 10. I also have a $2 off dryer sheets. Again, already clipped. I believe it's $2 off. I need to double check that. That sounds like a lot. I'm sorry, that's $1.50 off some dryer sheets, okay? So, I'm going to go ahead and use that because you also have the dryer sheets on this list. So, for my 3 for 10, I'm picking up a fireworks for $4.50, a 14 count flings for $4.50, and a fabric softener for $4.50. That's what I'm using for my 3 for 10. And how you find out if you have a conflicting coupon already clipped, just go to the product and click on it and see what what other coupons will attach, and this is what you will see. I have the $1.50 already clipped, and then I clipped my 3 for $10. So these are two conflicting coupons. So I'm going to have to pick up two products, okay? Now what I'm going to get is the 14 count blings. I'm going to get two of those. I'm going to get a fabric softener, and I'm going to get a dryer sheet and a fireworks. What I've got total is $22.50 in this transaction. What I've got coming off is a total of $12. And my out-of-pocket will be $10.50 for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gain items. So $2 and some change for each one of those gain items. Now, you can try to wait till Saturday to add to your savings on this deal. There may be plenty of product on the shelf still. But I think that 3 for $10, those items that you have to pick up for the 3 for $10, well, they may get hard to find by Saturday. Now, and last but not least, we got a Snuggle coupon. We got a $1.25 on Snuggle, and we've got Snuggle on sale for $3.75. So that's $2.50 out of pocket. So right now, these are my... Excuse me, guys. I've got cats running amok. And as a reminder, if you've not used your $2 off your Febreze seasonal, well, guess what's going to be going on the sale real soon? You know? Like today. Alright, you might want to check out your Febreze seasonal stuff. So there you go. Blessings. I'll talk to you again real soon with some more deals, steals, glitches, free stuff, and awesome information.